Sawadee, hello everybody. Today I gonna make some mango dipping sauce, and today kind of hot. Like look like summertime, you know. And I wanna eat something spicy. And so I went to Sacramento last Sunday. I got the mango. I got young mango. I gonna cut out in this area. Cold water, okay? Say it's young and clean. That means you clean them. Okay. The second one, I don't know, I gonna finish eating, but it's not too, see, the young. You can make the bird salad for this. It's really good with the cold water here. Then now I'm gonna make some dipping sauce, okay? The first thing I gonna cut the red onion, the small one, 3 in our hometown, a lot, look like Hawaii. And every time after school, we have to, you know, ask friends, you know, how many friends we want to go, like 4, 5, 10, you know, we make a dipping sauce like this under the tree, carry the basket for the water, and after that we cut in the head, you know, throw in the water, and after that we eating. Oh my god, it's so good, tastes so good, you guys. Dip with the anchovy, but this is my way how to do. Okay, I add some couple pieces of garlic. Oops. Why I add garlic? Because I need a little bit more flavor. See, put in here. Okay, after that I'm gonna make a sauce. I want you to see closer with me, okay? I add some chili too. You know, the mango is good to eat in the summertime. What my hand gonna be burned. Brown sugar. It's not a container, but I use container for this. I add a lot brown sugar. Tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. I like a little bit sweet, okay? Later on I can put in here. Okay. And after that I add a little bit, okay, because I like a little bit sweet, I like a little bit salty. That's it me, okay? Three, 4, 5. I add 6 tablespoons first. Add some chili powder a little bit. Tablespoon. Because I add already spicy, but I need more. See it? Ooh, my mouth water now. You know what? If you make a lot like this, like you can live like 2 or 3 days. Oh my god, more flavor. It's so good. Okay. It's good. I'm gonna sit here about 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut mango, okay? But I like to save the skin. Skin is good for everybody, okay? Don't eat just a white meat. Eat all the skin. It's more flavor. Alright guys, that's all for mango dipping sauce today. It's really easy, really quickly to make. If you like to eat some sour and when the summertime, it's really good, really yummy. Please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me, you guys. See you next video, okay? Bye bye.